The Uganda Bureau of Statistics has asked the government to reschedule the national census due to delayed procurement of tablets and money to pay enumerators. The census is set to be held next month. Godfrey Nabongo, the Deputy Executive Director of UBOS, says though there is delay in the process, mapping of the census has been done at least in the most parts of the country.
Namely, household questionnaires, institutional questionnaire, and community questionnaire have been developed, tested and piloted. C, the pre-testing of census instruments mentioned has been concluded. D, the census pilot has just been conducted and the data from the exercise is being analyzed. E, geomapping of households and enumeration area boundaries is now approximately 62% completed. F, funds for undertaking the National Population Housing Census have been secured from the government of Uganda. G, the remaining pre-census activities are procurements, publicity, recruitment and training of census staff, and developing digital maps, and this is ongoing.
He says this exercise is going to be digital and the gadgets are going to help in mobilizing data at local government level.
We are beginning to see the date of August not being feasible. We are making a report to the Ministry of Finance and to Cabinet, who set the date, so that we seek to get guidance on the best options under the circumstance. So we may not give you the exact date of when, but we are making proposals and we expect the government to give us a position on when we must do the census. But definitely August is turning out not to be tenable given where we are in terms of readiness because of the procurement of tablets. And in the course of next week, immediately after, we should be able to have, the government should be able to release a new date regarding census. As of now, for us, we are working like we are going to have August, but it is turning out to be difficult to achieve because we must procure the tablets. So a new date would have to be communicated after consulting with Cabinet.
Uganda currently is estimated to have 45 million people. However, the public expressed mixed views about the census.
Omuyama omudufu oguliwo gwa census okubala abantu kiba kisaana kuba kiba kirungi ne mumanya ennamba eri mu ggwanga muno era ne mumanya nti wano ku stage yaffe tulinawo abantu bwe bati betukola nabo.
Abantu kirungi nnyo era kya mugaso kuba gavumenti kwemanya nti abantu mu ggwanga tulina abantu bwe bati mu malwaliro tulina kubateerayo obujjanjabi bwe buti baana okusoma bali bwe bati balina kubateekerekera bwe bati omugaso gw'okubala abantu.
Nagujja Serena, Big Television.